Hey, what's up everyone? I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. I have a 2021 Model Y Performance here. This is probably like a 2023 Model Y Performance. I'm at the Tesla dealership and I wanted to show you the difference between gloss black wheels versus your stock colored wheels, which are just kind of like a flat black. I just got these glossed at Crown Customs in Wheeling, Illinois. By the way, great shop. I would highly recommend them. They repaired these wheels and glossed them. And you can see the gloss wheels. After I got it done, everyone thought I got aftermarket wheels. It makes the red calipers really pop out. I wish I did this a long time ago, but it's better late than never, right? It just looks amazing. So I wanted to show this compared to a stock one. So if you're thinking about getting this done, you kind of have something to compare it to. So obviously here are my gloss wheels. How it looks on the car. This car looks nice because it's got front tints, which I need to get. It's just my wife didn't get it done yet. Actually doesn't have stock. I don't think maybe it doesn't have tints. Maybe it might just be the white interior versus the black interior. But anyways, we're looking at the rims, right? So the factory rims do look cool, don't get me wrong. But the way how these cars are shiny, you got the shiny panoramic roof. You've got, you know, the shiny windows and mirrors, obviously. You got your headlights that are like nice and gloss looking. I feel like the flat is kind of out of place. So it looked nice, don't get me wrong. I mean, I had my car like that for the past 30,000 miles, but man, let's look at the difference. And like I said, the wheels are really dirty. I can zoom in and show you how dirty they are. I clean one spoke, I'll clean the other spoke to show you how shiny these can get, right? Once you get done with the car wash, add some tire shine on them, they're just glossy. So you could tell I'm not even full gloss, and you could tell how much better the car looks. My favorite thing is I'll do a side-by-side comparison. So this is my car from the side. I feel like the red just sticks out a lot more. The performance aspect sticks out a lot more. Whereas this car, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't like the finish anymore. After I got the gloss done, I don't like the stock finish anymore. So anyways, I wanna make this video short and sweet. If you're thinking about getting it gloss, I highly recommend it. You pay a little extra to get the center caps done, but it was definitely worth it. So I hope this video helps you make a decision. This is obviously done on white cars, but I got a MXP Model X Plaid coming in this blue color right over here. And I'm getting the same thing done to those wheels. First thing I'm doing is I'm getting the wheels powder coated in black. I'm not gonna lie, this blue is sick. I can't wait for my MXP to come in. So hope this video helps you make a decision, guys. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, like I said. Comment below, do you like the gloss or do you like the flat better? Let me know pros and cons of both, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.